Velvet Gelatine, yeah? What this product is for is getting the hair really silky, smooth, shiny and straight. But it gives luscious body to the hair as well. It's silk infused, it's got silk fibres in it, which give the hair a real surreal velvet surface. What I love about this product is that it's got a great texture to it, gives the hair a great texture, but it's practically impossible to overload it, which is a big fear of consumers and hairdressers.
I like a product that I can use really simple, you know, on the go, coming out of the shower, wet hair, dry hair, really easy, no fuss.
Velvet Gelatine is very, very simple to use. You use about a 10p piece worth in your hand and you distribute it as evenly as you can on wet hair, and you just blow dry your hair like you would normally blow dry it. It just makes the hair really silky, shiny, smooth, but gives the hair that luscious volume. You can also use it on dry hair, and you'd only use about half the amount you'd use on wet hair, literally a tiny bit like that. And again, it will just give you that added silkiness and that added softness and just make your hair really shiny. Because the trend now isn't about having straight, flat hair to the head. Straight hair is still very, very fashionable, but it's about having movement to it. It's about having texture. And the silk infused fibres that are in the Velvet Gelatine is what gives it a really surreal velvet surface.
Velvet Gelatine is a fantastic product. It almost gives like a surreal velvet feel to the hair. It also promotes body and definition at the same time. And a lot of products will only do one or the other. This makes your hair feel like velvet, smooth and as soft and as luscious as possible. How I created the look? Well, with the product, I quite literally took just 50p piece worth of the product into my hands. Again, work this all the way through and around and wash my hands with it. When her hair was wet, I literally combed her hair with my hands all the way through, mid-lengths and ends, just to make sure that I distributed it evenly from roots to tips. Then the two tools we need are the hairdryer and, more importantly, a nozzle. And we also need a round brush to promote body. Do apply heat through a nozzle in order to get the velvet soft sheen and finish. Once the product has been applied, we would then direct the nozzle down the hair shaft just to make sure that we're promoting all the heat and that the heat reacts to the gelatine in the product. Once we've blow dried all the hair smooth to get that velvet finish, we quite simply then blow dry the underneath. By blow drying the top and the bottom, and with the product applied from roots to tips, you are left with a very shiny, smooth velvet finish.